Why go to the sky tree and see Tokyo from above?
If you can see Tokyo from the river.
Hey Nippon travelers, I'm here with my buddy Luca and we have something amazing to show you today.
Yeah, when Simon gave me the call to come today, I was just seriously excited when he told me what it's going to be about.
So just before we get going, I just want to talk to you about Boxu. It is a monthly subscription service of Japanese snacks straight to your door. Check out the description below for details.
So we're here in Kayabacho today with Tokyo Great Tours, and they're going to show us an amazing kayaking experience in the city.
Kayaking in Tokyo, that is amazing. Have you ever done anything like that before?
I didn't think it would be in Tokyo, like
right in the heart of Tokyo.
Right?
Alright, let's get going then. Let's go! Tokyo Great Tours is just out exit 3 of Kayabacho Station. They don't just do kayaking tours, but also cycling, running and cooking. Please check out their website for more details. Let's suit up!
Alright, so we are joined today by Tokyo Great Tours' own Yukiko and Masa. Hello!
They both speak great English, so the tours can be done in English, Japanese and other languages when available. Okay, let's get going!
Let's do it!
Hey! The first part of the journey takes us along Nihonbashi River and under the highways. It's amazing to be paddling under such huge roads. It's such a unique perspective of Tokyo, so I just had to ask Yukiko how this all started.
So before starting kayaking tour, I had a cycling tour since 2006. While we are cycling around Tokyo, we found many waterways, like old canals from Edo period, 17th century. Remaining in Tokyo. Then me and Masa thought maybe it's interesting to kayak on those canals.
Luca, how's it going?
Good!
Are you tired?
I'm just getting started, man!
So finally we arrived at Nihonbashi.
Oh.
Nihon means Japan, Bashi means bridge. So this name of this bridge is Japan Bridge. The current Japan Bridge is Stone Bridge, which was built in 1911.
1911?
So before World War II, more than 100 years ago. But the first Nihonbashi Bridge was wooden bridge and built here at the same place in 1603.
1603. Wow.
And that was wooden bridge, so already burned down.
Oh.
And rebuilt, burned down, rebuilt, burned down. This is the 20th generation.
20th generation of bridge.
Of the bridge.
Wow.
Okay, so Luca, how are you feeling so far? What's your impression of kayaking through Tokyo?
You know, it's very relaxing. You know, I've always walked around this river, but I've never actually been on the river.
Now we're heading back the way we came and then onwards to the much wider waters of Sumida River. This is Route C, it's a 5-kilometer intro tour, but Tokyo Great Tours has some other routes too.
One goes to the very center to Tokyo. We paddle under highway, and also we will see Akihabara, the electric town, and also Ryogoku Bridge. The other one is we go to the east of Sumida River, and we paddle in a residential, quiet, relaxing residential area. And we will cross the water lock gate, like small size of Panama lock gate. And we have evening kayak tour during, especially which is good for summertime, because Tokyo summer is very hot and humid. and springtime, maybe the end of March to the first week of April, we have Sakura tour. Sakura means cherry blossom, so we will paddle under full bloom cherry blossom trees.
So right now we're paddling on Kamishima-gawa, which earlier, if you noticed, we were in Nihonbashi-gawa, and the difference is night and day. Kamishima-gawa has more foliage on the side, doesn't have this huge freeway overhead, and it's just really relaxing, kind of gives you a sense of nature within the sprawling city of Tokyo, and I love it.
From here, we get on the Sumida River, and the view really opens up. You can check out the Sky Tree and all the beautiful views. But when is the best time to come kayaking in Tokyo?
Definitely cherry blossom season, the end of March to early April. But many other boats you will see. So a little bit choppy. So other second best season, and I like actually the most is autumn. In Tokyo, maybe November. The trees change to yellow and red, and it's very beautiful. Not so many boats, other boats. So it's very relaxing.
Before we finish today, I just want to say a big otsukare-sama desu to Masa behind me for paddling away whilst I've been filming. Masa, thank you. We're back now. Can you sum up your experience in 3 words?
Wow, ultimate Tokyo experience. I don't know. Yeah, one of the ultimate Tokyo experiences. You gotta try this. I've never done anything like this, and I never thought of doing something like this here in Tokyo. It's amazing that it's here, honestly. So Yukiko, Masa, thank you so much for having us. It's been a really wonderful experience.
Thank you very much for joining us, and we have more options, so please come back again.
Yeah.
We definitely will. We definitely will. And you also have other things like running, and cycling, and cooking as well, right?
Yes.
Cooking. Oh.
So we're definitely back. When it's safe to do so, please come check out Tokyo Great Tours. And we'll see you next time. Ja, mata ne!
Mata ne!